Hey there, and welcome to this video about making money. In this video, we're going to be talking about different ways to earn money, both online and offline. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash on the side or you're hoping to turn your passion into a full-time income, this video is for you. I'll be sharing with you some tips and tricks that have helped me and many others to make money, as well as some common mistakes to avoid. So if you're ready to start making some money, then let's get started. Did you know you may make money without spending a single penny? This works for all countries. On top of that, it can be done with just your phone. So take your phone, laptop, or computer and get ready. Okay, let's start with step number 1. Because this tutorial will be divided into actionable steps that you can easily follow to properly set up this income stream. And if you want to make this happen, and if you want it to work for you, I urge you to just follow each step and take action. Don't just watch the video because it will not work for you if you just watch it and don't take action, and you won't make any money at all. But if you finish each step, that will make a difference. So you don't need to have a website or anything. And our first step is going to be coming over to the website called mangles.com or mangles.mangles.com. Mangles.com is a tool that will boost your SEO, search engine optimization. That implies how high your website ranks on Google, how likely people are to visit your website, how simple it is for them to discover it, and other such things. But don't worry, once again, you do not need a website. You only need to follow the instructions in this video. It will be so simple because you don't require anything that even a newborn infant who knows how to communicate could watch this lesson and set it up for herself. However, Mangos is a program that allows you to rank better on Google and outbid your competitors. However, you don't need a website and you don't have to invest any money to make money from this. So, your first step is to go to mangles.com and learn more about it. So now, just post a video, go and complete this step, and I will be waiting for you. And I want you to do the same for every other step. Watch it, post a video, complete the step, come back and watch the next step. That way, by the end of this video, you will have everything set up and ready to make your money move. Let's go on to the second phase. Therefore, now that you know what Mangles does, you should sign up for totally free. So click here, come to the top of the page and click here, which will take you to a page that looks something like this. To create an account, enter your email address, create a password, click I'm not a robot, and just go to create my Mangles account. Once you do, you will be successfully logged into your Mangles account. That should look like this. This is the dashboard. All that's for now. Just go to mangles.com and sign up for free. Create an account and I'll be waiting for you. And we'll jump right into step number 3. I hope you have completed the previous 2 steps and you're already making progress. If you haven't, go back and complete them before you get into the 3rd step, which is going to be going over to google.com. So now we will begin utilizing Google. The 3rd step is to open Google, and for the time being, just leave it open. We will begin using it in a minute. We simply need to copy something first. Now that you have Google open, go back to Mangles. On the left-hand side, you will find this affiliate area. You may join their affiliate program. Without you having to lift a finger, you refer 100 people already, and that's $2,070 per month in pure passive income. No work required. Once you have all of those referrals, you can turn off your phone or computer and just enjoy your earnings and do whatever you want. And of course, there are some inexpensive plans, but there are also more expensive plans from which you can make even more money. However, if you stick around until the end of this video, I will show you where you need to put your affiliate link, how to copy and paste something, and how to leverage Google to get as many referrals as possible for free. And it's going to be a fun process, I promise you. For now, just go to the affiliate program and go to the promo materials. Here you can see your affiliate link. So this is the main affiliate link that will make us money. When people click on it, they will be directed to this page where they can sign up for Mangles. And depending on the plan they choose, we will make monthly income. So you want to copy this affiliate link by clicking on this copy button right here. So copy that and go to Bitly. Bitly is a link shortening service. So all you need to do is paste it here, click shorten, and just copy the shortened version. So that was step number 4. Grab your affiliate link and shorten it using Bitly. Complete these steps and let's move on to the next one. Step number 5. Now that you have your shortened affiliate link, go back to Google and think for a second. Who needs better SEO, better rankings, and more visitors to their website? Obviously, every single website on the planet, and there are already hundreds of billions of them. But more significantly, who has enough money to invest in Mangles via your affiliate link so that they may profit from the tool? So you can generate passive money every month. Keep your eyes peeled because you're going to be blown away. This may earn you thousands of dollars and you only need to do it once. Once again, who will profit from this instrument but has the financial means to invest in it? Obviously, any firm with a website. Do you realize how many of them there are? Over 1 billion. Yep, not a million, not 100 million, but 1 billion. And you only need 100 of them. Just 100, not even 1,000. Just 100 of them to use your referral link. And you will make thousands of dollars every month. In fact, more than $20,000 each year without lifting a finger. But of course, you need to put in some work first. This is not a garage quick scheme and the results were right. But for now, step number 5 is just going to Google. Think of some business, maybe a dentist, gym, barber, restaurant, pet shop, or literally anything you can think of, and then just think of some small place, small city or town. For example, I can search for Newberry, South Carolina. For example, dentist or Newberry Gym or Greenville Gym or Kent, Ohio restaurant. Like, there are endless search results you can play around and test out, which can make the most money, which makes the most money, and which gets you the best results. Why? I said it'll be a really fun process. It's like a game. You think of a small place, think of a business, try out different variations, search, and easily fund your referrals in some of the next steps. For now, as an example, I search for a Newberry, Carolina dentist. You can do anything else. You can even open up a map and randomly pick places. I'll just do this one and use the business dentist. Step number 6. When you've searched for the phrase on Google, avoid advertising and the first 3 websites that appear at the top of the search results, because those folks obviously know how to conduct SEO properly and don't need these tools. But the thousands and thousands of businesses below them clearly need your help and are willing to invest in their business because they can see a massive return on that investment. So, you will open some of these websites, and on 99% of them, you'll be able to see their contact information either at the bottom or at the top of the website. So just find their email address or any other contact form, and let's offer them our affiliate link and help them. Now, I'm not legally able to provide you with any script, which would be much worse since everyone else would use the same script and would just come up as a spam. Instead, I'll help you design your own, which is a lot better and will result in much greater conversion. So you may start your own letter or email with anything like "Dear Sir" or "Madam, I noticed you were operating a great business," or "I saw you had a good restaurant, a lovely office, a nice coffee shop, a nice jewelry shop," or whatever it is. But your website isn't ranking, so you're losing out on a lot of potential customers. Then you can say something like, "I had the same problem recently, but I found some online tool that helped me boost my rankings and get a lot more visitors in a matter of days," or something along those lines, and they should be intrigued. Now, you can either send them your affiliate link right away in that first message, Or you can wait for the response and then send them your affiliate link after you've built some trust with them. Remember, you only need to do this once to get some signups, and you'll be making monthly passive income for the next few months or years. So put in some time and work now and reap the benefits afterward. To summarize, copy your affiliate link, build a script for yourself, copy that as well, go to Google, pick some businesses, experiment about, and just paste the script. And that's the end of today's video. We sincerely hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, help us out by giving us a thumbs up and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to make sure you never miss out on our next videos. See you at the next one.